Good morning, students. Today in maths we are going to start new unit, that is unit number 5, and the name of the unit is shapes and patterns. Today we are going to start with shapes. All of you watch this video carefully and then draw shapes in your notebook. Firstly, I will show you some images of different shapes. Now, first of all, look at the images of rectangular shape objects. Now, look at some square shaped objects. These are triangle shape objects. These are circle shaped objects. These are oval shaped objects. Good morning, students. Today we are going to start unit number 5 and the name of the topic is shapes. In shapes we are going to do 2D shapes. First of all, in shapes you can see, आप अपने आसपास in your surroundings आप अपने आसपास देखेंगे कि in everything, in most of the things you can find shape. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों में आपको shapes मिल जाएंगी. As you already know, name of the shapes like triangle, rectangle, square, circle, and one more shape is oval. 2D shapes are 5 shapes. Now, what is the meaning of this 2D? D means dimension. Dimension means ki 2D shapes means ki shapes which are having length and breadth. Now I am going to write here meaning of 2D shapes. Meaning is 2D shapes are those shapes, ऐसी shapes होती हैं which are having, जिनकी लेंथ भी होती है एंड ब्रेड्थ भी होती है. ठीक है, जिनकी लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ होती है. नाउ लिसन, अब ये लेंथ का मैंने L लिखा है. अब ये लेंथ को हम कैसे देखते हैं? Now here you see length is like this. लेंथ को हम कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं? Like this. Okay? और ब्रेड्थ को हम इस तरह से करके स्केल से ड्रॉ करते हैं. जब भी हम, वैसे तो आपको यू ऑल नो कि दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, ओके, बट दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड लेंथ. ये ऐसे हम किसी भी शेप की लेंथ को मेजर कर सकते हैं. नाउ दिस इज द ब्रेड्थ. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट नेम ऑफ डिफरेंट 2D shapes. Now which are 2D shapes? First one is rectangle. Number 2, square. Number 3, triangle. Number 4, circle. And number 5 is oval. These are all 2D shapes. Now I will explain you how you can draw these 2D shapes. Now I will explain you every shape one by one. Firstly, I am going to explain you about rectangle. How can we draw rectangle, and it has how many sides and how many corners? Firstly, keep in mind, draw every shape with the help of scale. find how to draw rectangle. Now this is the length. Now the thing which you will keep in mind while drawing rectangle, rectangle को draw करते समय आपको एक चीज़ ये ध्यान में रखनी है कि इसकी जो length होती है that is more than breadth. आप इस तरह से इसकी breadth को draw करेंगे. Okay, this is length and this is breadth. Now I will join from one point to the other. Okay, this is rectangle, this is length and this is breadth. अब आप ये देखेंगे, look here, इसकी जो opposite sides होती हैं, these sides, these are all equal. जैसे जितनी इसकी length है उतनी ही इसके सामने वाली side की length है और इसकी length is equal and breadth is also equal. Now how many sides rectangle has? Rectangle की कितनी sides हैं? Sides, how many sides it has? It has 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. Sides 4 and next corners. अब आपको ये बताना है कि इसके कितने corners हैं. 1, 2, 3 and it has 4 corners. और corners का एक और दूसरा नाम होता है vertices. Okay, I hope all of you understand how to draw rectangle. Now you can also take a cutout of this and it is your choice that you will draw this shape, or you can also cut out the page from the scrapbook and also you can paste its cutout. Okay, this is a shape of rectangle. Now the next shape is square. Next shape is square. Here what you have to do, how to draw square. In square you will see here, if I have taken its length 3 centimeter, its breadth should be 3 centimeter. Square. This is the breadth of square. Now same breadth and you will join these 2 points again of square. Now see one thing. अब आप देखेंगे कि square में क्या है. Its all sides are equal. इसकी सारी की सारी sides जो होती हैं equal है. Now how many sides square has? Square की कितनी sides हैं? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how many corners it has? इसकी कितने corners हैं? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 corners. Now I will show you how we can make square with the help of scrapbook page. Here you can also paste shape of square like this. Now number 3 is triangle. ट्रायंगल, ट्रायंगल, TRI, ट्राई का एक मीनिंग होता है 3, ठीक है, इसको हम 3 भी बोलते हैं. ट्राई आल्सो मीन्स 3. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ ट्रायंगल. फर्स्टली you will draw its length, then you can draw triangle like this. इस तरह से आप लोग ट्रायंगल को ड्रॉ करेंगे. Okay, now see how many sides triangle has. 1, 2 and 3 sides of a triangle. 3 and how many corners it has? 1, 2 and 3. It has 3 corners. Now here is the shape of triangle with the help of page. This is triangle. I hope you all have understood these 3 shapes. Shape number 4 is circle. Now how can you draw circle? You can draw circle with the help of bangle and any of the round object available in your home. Now I am going to draw circle. Okay, this is circle. Now see, is circle has any side or it has any corner? ठीक है, आप देखेंगे कि सर्कल की क्या कोई साइड होती है या कोई कॉर्नर होता है? नो, इट हैज नो साइड, साइड्स नो, एंड इट हैज ऑल्सो नो कॉर्नर्स. इसके कोई भी कॉर्नर्स नहीं होते हैं. यू कैन पेस्ट द शेप ऑफ सर्कल. दिस इज सर्कल. Number 5 is oval. Number 5 is oval. Now there are many objects available of oval shape. You can find oval shape in watermelon, shape of oval in watermelon. Watermelon आपका oval shape में होता है. किचन में आप देखेंगे जो गैस सिलेंडर होता है that is also in oval shape. Now this is oval. Okay, now how many sides it has and how many corners it has? अब now it has no side, इसकी कोई side भी नहीं होती है, and it is also no corners. No and no. You can also paste the cutout of oval also. This is oval shape. Now what you all will do, now open your notebooks and draw these shapes and also paste some beautiful pictures from the scrapbook. Also cut out these shapes and which will also look very beautiful, and you will also learn how many sides and how many corners of each shape has, and also write 2 examples of every shape. So this is all about shapes today. Open your notebook and start writing in your notebook. Thank you.